Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. If you want to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, watch this video. If you temporarily deactivate your account, your profile, photos, comments and likes will be hidden until you deactivate it by logging back in. Keep in mind that you can only deactivate your account once a week. To temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, log in to your Instagram account, click your profile picture and click on Profile. Then click Edit Profile. Scroll down, then click Temporarily deactivate my account in the bottom right. Select an option from the drop-down menu next to Why are you deactivating your account? You can set up a time when your account will be deactivated automatically. You can select 7 days, 6 days, 5 days, 4 days, 3 days, 2 days or 1 day. Enter your password. Click Temporarily Deactivate Account. Now click Yes to confirm or No to cancel. You will need to be able to log into your account to temporarily deactivate it. If you don't want to deactivate your account but want to change who can see it, you can set your post to private or block people. Friends, that was our today's video. By this way you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Please give a like to this video and share with your friends so that they can temporarily deactivate their Instagram account if necessary. Thanks for watching.